Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your DGme app from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your DGme app from your computer, open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in DGme app like this and hit enter. When we scroll down, you can see the DG app, Dollar General app, which dollargeneral.com. On you click over there, and let's let the page load first. And you can see this is the login page of Dollar General app site, and you can see the sign in button available over here on the top right corner of your screen. Click on sign in, and you can see the sign in again. Click on sign in. And now to log into your Dollar General account from your DG app, you can see that you'll be required to enter your email over here or your phone number over here, and after that enter your password over here, and after that click on sign into your DG account from the Dollar General app. Or if you have not yet created a Dollar General account, click on create account over here to go through the procedure to sign up for Dollar General. And there guys, this is how you log into your Dollar General account from your DG app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.